Oh, it's not recording yet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now there we go.
Do you like my new glasses?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, would you think these are better?
Well, they're just kind of different.
Just for the moment. I still lost those.
Oh, Gucci? Did Gucci send you these?
I don't really.
Oh, never mind.
Well, these.
You look like you're gonna go fight the Terminator or something.
Would I win? There's
I
only
mean,
one way to answer
Of
that.
course you would.
Okay.
No, I'm confused why you would ask that. Obviously.
Those are missing too. This is the problem. I'm just gonna settle on these.
Sure, okay. We got like a 70s vibe going. Do you want to do an intro for this video?
Yes, I have this really fun idea.
Okay.
Okay, I think we should go buy one of those fancy trucks that look like
The Tesla future truck, cybertruck.
Oh, John, it was a bit.
Okay, wait, start over. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to do another intro for one of this video?
Yes, I have a really good idea.
Okay.
Okay, you know those trucks that everyone's driving? I mean, not driving, wanting to drive. You see all over the internet.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, I was thinking we'd go buy one or two and then drive them. Okay, maybe not drive them, but maybe just one of my intros. Yeah, so like, there I am, Elon Musk truck. So I'm just gonna be like
another fly in on you thing.
yeah, walking and then slow motion, subtle 360.
360.
Is that weird? Too much?
So,
180?
Yeah. Alright, just fly up to you. I think we'll just keep it real simple.
Do you know where we can get one? You do?
Yeah, but I can't reveal it on the camera.
Hell yeah. Let's go get it. I'm not on Mars. Subscribe and like my channel.
Ready?
Okay. I have this idea for a talk show. And I'm interviewing myself.
Oh, okay.
It's a little outside of the box, which is fine, but it's not like I have multiple personalities. It's just me getting another perspective on me.
Okay, so it's like giving yourself advice, but you're just asking yourself questions.
Questions, deep,
Yeah.
meaningful ones.
Well, okay, cool. So we're gonna go shoot it right now.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Okay, cool.
Okay, so we're gonna really shoot it. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of What Are You Talking About? Your name is...
Samaire.
Wait, you can't cross over. What? I mean, you can't cross my... You can't cross my...
I know. I'm. You say, what do people call you? Am
I
reading the right book?
know, but I'm also gonna rip a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, where do I start from? Oh, okay. People call you that normally. Anyways, you like stocks. What? Wrong answer.